Hi guys, I found this in my shed, just lying there. It says it's a multimedia speaker. This is an edifier, this is a bass, and these are the other little speakers down here, just on the floor, as you can see. Okay, so basically I played this, my Sony MP3, and it works okay, except this makes a noise like. So I'm thinking of opening this up, cleaning this out, maybe even clean these a little bit here because they're not working properly. Okay, well I took all the screws out the back here, as you can see, and that's what happens. So basically, just pulls up like that. But be careful what I touch in case the capacitor is still hot. And it's very simple inside by the looks of it. Wow, it is simple. Can you see? Transformer there to convert your 240 AC into 6 volts or whatever it uses. You can't see it from here. And a little circuit board there, your base and everything else. So what we're going to be aiming at, if I can just show it to you, what we're going to be aiming at is these pods there, to get them cleaned out a bit, maybe spray in there or something, but I'm not sure how to. Okay, let's have a look if you can see. Not sure how to get into those pods there. You can see them at the back there. These here. Just there. Not sure how to get into them, but I'm going to do spray and just wiggle them about and see if that'll clear it a bit. I'm just going to short the caps out in case there's still got some charge left in there. And I don't want to be the one to be discharged with. Okay, this will be fine. Just going to do a little squirt right in there. Now if you think I'm going to take them apart and mess about with it, I don't think I need to do that, to be honest with you. I'm not going to do that. Oops. There you go. Okay, so we'll just try that again. There that goes. If I just put a couple of screws back in. I'm going to plug it back in, see what noise that makes. A very simple thing really, I suppose. Okay. Well, I think these were like a bit of a so just testing it out now. So this is a bit loose here. Still a bit. negotiation. That's fine. The speaker. See what I mean? To be honest with you, it might be just leads of mine. So here we are, guys. It's working now. Put some different ones on. It's better now. That works fine. The bass works good. Oh my gosh, that's very loud bass. Distorting it, to be honest with you. So that's good, success. Very simple, like I said, very simple repair. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up, make a comment. thank you for watching anyway. Yes guys, just want to show you that the loudness of it's pretty loud now. I've connected to the computer because it is a computer speaker thing as well. Connected to the computer and it's very loud. So I'm happy with that. I'm leaving it there. And also you're going to say to me, you haven't put the screws back, right? So I'm going to put them back now. And again, thank you for watching.